pounds free.
Appalled that this was an oversight, that my son had this book in his hand for a week. Unacceptable.
19 Minutes by Jodi Picoult is about a school shooting and bullying, but also includes an incident of sexual violence. It had Guilford parents spouting out.
For anything.
Would you please be respectful of the other people?
You're respectful of my daughter, right? And my children.
We found ourselves in the middle of a firestorm of emotions.
Because I violated the 2-minute rule.
They're asking me.
I guess you get up to that.
William Bear was escorted out by police and handcuffed in the hall.
I fully understand how he feels. It's really a huge violation.
We spoke with his wife, who says shortly before their daughter was to read the book, they found page 313, detailing a graphic sexual encounter between two teens.
Why should those ideas be put in their mind? They can discuss this some other way. They don't need that kind of imagery.
In a statement, the school district says students have read the book in the past, but sent notification home to parents beforehand. This time, there was an oversight.
All right, so listen to this, all right? I want to just take you through. This is just one line of many from the book 19 Minutes that you just saw by Jodi Picoult. He pinned her hands over her head and ground his hips against hers. And it gets racier than that, folks, a lot racier. So let's talk about this with the Dream Team. Now, we're talking about a high school, right? Mike Brooks, John Phillips, Lonnie Coombs, and we're talking about a dad here who is incensed by this, okay? The reality is he's let out in cuffs, Lonnie. Should he have been let out in cuffs for expressing his point of view about this racy book?
I don't think so, Joey. Look, I understand the 2-minute rule, but I think this situation, the board needed to show more sensitivity to these parents. I read that book. I agree with those parents. I think that they needed to have notification ahead of time, like had been done in the past, to be able to review that book for themselves and see what was in it. The fact that they didn't get that notification, their kids read it, I can understand there's a lot of heavy stuff in there. Besides the sex scene, there's a lot of very heavy subjects in there that I think a lot of parents would want to discuss with their children if they're going to read the book.
Absolutely. And look at this. All right. And here's the dad. We want to show you the dad. He's right there. You see him. That's William Bear. And once the police take him outside on the school board meeting, and he's charged with disorderly conduct. Take a listen to this stuff.
All right, let's not play games. I'm not resisting. I'm not resisting. My arm is messed up, all right? You want to see the medical records of a pinched nerve in my neck for 3 months, all right? So don't tell me I'm resisting. That would be fine. I guess I'm not used to walking with my hands cuffed behind my back, being dragged, okay? What are you so nervous about?
Mike, I'm coming to you. What do you think?
Looked like they cuffed him in front, so, you know, because there was... Well, look, why did they have cops at school board meetings to begin with? Because sometimes you get out of hand. Was this guy out of hand? Maybe, maybe not. He was asked to leave a number of times, and he basically told the officer or the lieutenant, hey, look, if I'm not leaving, you're going to have to lock me up. He did.
I don't know, John.
No trespassing, get him out of the meeting,
right.
You know, find decorum, but this is ridiculous.
I think
it really is.
He's just trying to protect his kids.
And we love our kids. It's all about the kids, all right?
That's the bottom line.
That's what it's all about. Thank you, Dream Team, the best. All right. So now, moving forward.